Hi guys, thanks for watching. Edward here. I just want to shoot a quick update about my lead gen secret again, as promised, because a lot of members were asking and they knew that I'd been in touch with support and they were waiting to hear about the response that I'd gotten back from support. And I did get a response back from support and it was very satisfactory. I was very pleased. In my previous video, my whole goal from my previous video was I wanted to simply get answers, and the goal was met. I was able to get answers, not only from support, but I was also able to get answers from people who had actually generated a certain amount of success with these leads. So that's the reason why this video is going to be slightly different, and it's also partly the reason why I decided to take that old video down. Have I completely changed my tune? Not really, but yes, thank goodness support did get back to me, and to be honest, they actually gave me a far better and satisfactory response than I was expecting. I was actually on the whole very pleased with their response, and it actually made a lot more sense. I was very one-track minded. I had come to the conclusion that I felt that this website was negative and fake, and it wasn't providing a good service, I felt. And yes, maybe there are still things that I want to iron out and 100% understand, and that's why I'm doing these videos here, is because I just want to share with you guys exactly what I have found out. And so this is my journey here. This is the next video. This is what I have found out. These are the answers I have received, and now I'm going to give you those answers, and I'm going to explain what I've discovered. Okay, so I have dug deep, and I believe from my findings, I believe now that I have more information and more ideas and more understanding on how to use this tool than 99.9% of the people who are actually just promoting this willy-nilly. Because, you know, if you've joined this already and you've joined under a person, they probably don't know really how to use this platform. Okay, so be careful who you join under. Now, I'm not saying that just because I think you should join under me. What I'm saying is that I have discovered how to actually use these leads. Because, you know, let's face it, guys, I don't believe that I've discovered these leads are not going to work with every single opportunity. Okay, if you're going to buy into this platform because you think that your opportunity is going to work with this, be careful, because before you join under someone else, understand that leads are going to work with different types of opportunity. Okay, and this platform is not necessarily going to work with your particular opportunity. And this is what I've discovered. This is what I've kind of found out from, you know, A, getting in touch with the support, and B, getting in touch with a lot of people who have discovered a lot of different things and have sort of, you know, split tested. They've changed up their page, or some people are promoting directly to this particular platform itself. Some people are doing, you know, more affiliate type offers. Some people are doing more kind of network marketing type offers. Some people are more internet marketing or whatever, and promoting on different platforms, and they have discovered different types of responses from these particular leads. The other thing is what I've discovered, and the mistake that I made in my previous video when I said that I had actually downloaded those those leads, and the errors that I was getting and the reasons for that, I will explain in this video, because I was basically downloading the entire lot, including all the older leads that I had already sent out to, and probably a whole bunch of other people had also sent out to the same leads. Because this is, as it says on the homepage, we are split. We are actually sharing these leads. You know, because you do. You know, fair enough, absolutely. You know, for $30 a month, you're not going to get a whole 100% fresh batch all for you yourself. You know, it's only fair that you understand what the leads are, what you're getting, what you're paying for $30 a month, and you know, to get 100 leads every single day, you're sharing those leads, understandably. So you want to get your offer out as quickly as possible. It needs to be the right offer, it needs to be the right ad content, and yes, it's going to work. If you wait a little bit and you send out, you may get some good response. It's fair enough. You keep sending out your list. You know, you keep getting, you know, you're trying to get eyeballs onto your messages. Absolutely. However, if you're going to download your leads like I did, at least make sure that you download a fresh batch. okay, and do a test with that. That's what I should have done, okay, and I did. After I recorded my previous video, I did in fact download a fresh batch, and I got a far better response. So that was good. Then I got a response back from support, and they told me what they have discovered, and a lot of members have reported saying that these types of offers work better, these ads work better, those ads work better, and so on. And I will share that within this video. So here's the email I got from support. Okay, this is what I sent, and this is what I got back. It was satisfactory. Okay, it was pleasing, and to be honest, you know, what they said was ClickBank offers on the whole tend to work better, and also promoting directly to the website, okay, My Lead Gen Secret website directly. Now, here's my thoughts on that, and the reason why I think that that is satisfactory and understandable is because it reminds me of how I actually got into this industry in the first place. Guys, 10 years ago, or more than 10 years ago, I actually, you know, I wasn't interested, I wasn't into the network marketing side, the multi-level, you know, the kind of to be honest, you know, the scams. I see a lot of people promoting scams and junk and crap. You know, a lot of network marketing companies will struggle with some leads. All right, if you're promoting a network marketing company or a network marketing offer, or what appears to be a kind of a money-making scam or whatever, then you're going to struggle with these kind of leads. And I think what I understand with these leads is that they're more into the affiliate type marketing, such as ClickBank offers. All right, possibly JVZoo might work, and maybe even well, I wouldn't recommend Amazon type products, because I think what these leads are more into are sort of money making. They want to get in, they want to make more money online, they want to be able to generate success online, but I don't think they're really into network marketing type deals, okay, particularly. So having said that, give it a try, and if anyone has had some success, great, but I think you're going to have more success by promoting ClickBank type offers, or, you know, some general value, some maybe some free stuff, but something that's going to help them in their journey or in their quest to make more money online. So yeah, what we've found is, and what I've discovered, and what support have got back to me, if they've said that ClickBank offers work well, and also this website itself, My Lead Gen Secrets, seems to work better if you promote directly to this. And that's what I've discovered. Since my previous video, I actually got 3 sales. And they were 100%, well, actually 2 of them for sure. I'm not sure about the third one, that they came in a bit earlier, possibly from my original video, which was about 4 days ago. But certainly yesterday I got 2 sales, and they came in yesterday, and they 100% came in from the leads that I had dripped into my back office. So I got 200 leads yesterday, and I sent out an email yesterday, and I got 2 sales. So that's just to say that yes, that's another update there. So let's have a look at the affiliate side.
People are getting insane results using my.
Okay, so I got I've made 3 sales, and I got 3 people in the downline. Okay, certainly 2 of them, possibly the third as well, but certainly 2 of them came in through these leads that I got. So from my leads that I sent out using the mailer system yesterday, I got 2 leads. I got 2 sales yesterday from these leads. Okay, so that was interesting to see that. So that's one thing, you know, just to suggest that these leads are better than expected. I also had someone on my timeline who commented and said that they had the same thing happen. They've seen better results on ClickBank products. They've also had better results on actually promoting this directly, because I think on the whole, people are more, the kind of leads that you're getting here are more wider, they're more generic. You don't want to be talking about a specific program or what looks like to be a scam, or, you know, you don't think it's a scam, and I don't believe it's necessarily is a scam. Maybe you're not promoting a scam, but guys, you know, be wary about what you're promoting. But I think on the whole, the leads, these are cold leads. They don't know who you are, and they've seen a lot of junk. They are getting very distracted by a lot of offers. So but on the whole, I think a generic type affiliate type business seems to work, and maybe they're already involved in another business, so that's why this lead gen secret has potential. It's a very easy sell, so it has high conversions, so that's why this is working. So that's what support is basically, in a nutshell, sort of saying. They also said that the promo swipes, if you're going to promote directly to My Lead Gen Secret, the promo swipes in the back office, number 3 and number 8, they said have proven to work especially well, certainly in the last few months. That's what they've had reported by the members. So if you go to the affiliate side, and
people are getting insane.
And then you look down and you go to, so you see the affiliate email there, number 3, and I think it said number 8, was it? Yeah, number 8. Apparently seems to work especially well. That's what they're saying. So I'll give that a try, and I'll also try to promote ClickBank offers as well to my leads by using the master email swipes and maybe using my own swipes, and I'll update you. So I agree. In this video, my tune has my feeling has changed, and that's because I've dug deeper. That's what I wanted to do. At the end of the day, guys, I paid for this. I want it to work. So if I'm going to promote this, I don't want to promote it until I'm actually satisfied with it. But I'll be honest with you, I'm a lot more satisfied with it than I was in my previous video. I've come to realize that this definitely has potential, and I'm going to work with it. So I'm not going to just flat out call something a scam unless I've proven it to be a scam. I agree. I probably jumped the gun in my previous video, but I don't think I really 100% called it a scam. I said there were some red flags. That's what I said, and there were. But thank goodness the support got back to me in the way they did. They fair play to them. Support has been great. They've been back to me. Every question that I had, they got back to me very quickly. So I was very pleased with that. And I appreciate the other members as well who got back to me with their results. So all in all, guys, I'm gonna go with this for the moment, and I will keep testing. That's the reason why I've taken my previous video down, because thank goodness I was able to get answers and dig deeper, and thank goodness for support who was able to satisfy my issues that I had. So yeah, I'm gonna for the moment I'm gonna see how this goes, and already from what I've seen, it's starting to turn around. So I realized, in my previous video, I spoke about the fact that I did download the leads and I got errors. But I can see that the reason for that was simply because I actually mixed it up with a lot of the older leads as well. I think if you're going to do that, you need to probably use the fresher leads and just do a test maybe with the fresh leads. That's if you're going to download them. If you're not going to download them and you're going to use the built-in mailer like I will continue to do from now on, I'm not going to download the leads every time. It was a pain in the ass. I would much rather use the built-in mailer, but the only reason I downloaded the leads was simply because I wanted just to test to see, on my own personal tracking. But if I use the built-in mailer, we get that conflict of tracking. So that's why. But from now on, I'm just going to continue to use the built-in mailer. So anyway, guys, I've done my tests, and I'm satisfied up to a point. I will continue to do tests. I've paid for these leads. Of course, I'm going to be testing. So anyway, I am going to put my link below, because at the end of the day, it's only $30. Who am I to say at this stage? I've had a lot of conflicting results, and people have said to me that they've had these results. Other people have shown that these results, and yes, it appears that ClickBank works better because it's more affiliate based. It's not sort of multi-level. It's not any kind of crypto scam or whatever like that. I'm not generalizing. I'm just saying that from a cold leads point of view, they have absolutely no idea what kind of offer you're offering them. So just go easy on these leads. Be generic. Be helpful. And another thing that support said, which is good. Yeah, they also said I recommend adding your email address in your message of your body. is provide contact information to your leads, has proven to increase results by establishing trust. Very good response. Absolutely, I didn't do that. They actually checked my back office. They said, I see you were promoting the My Lead Gen Secret today using Master Swipe number 2, which is great, but they recommended using the obviously the emails in the affiliate side. Obviously if you're going to promote directly to My Lead Gen Secret, naturally you're probably better off promoting using the email swipes, which is a good response. And also, brand it with your own email address. So that was nice little touch. Appreciate the support for getting back to me on that. So on the whole, guys, I am a lot more impressed with both the support and the willingness to help out. And now that I've understood how to use this better as a tool, and what leads we're going to, what platforms we can actually generate a success with. I mean, guys, if you're going to if you're adamant to simply promote directly to your multi-level marketing offer, then maybe these leads are not for you. Perhaps you may get some results, you may not. But all I'm trying to do in this video is just to let you know what kind of leads you're going to get and what kind of offers are going to work better. If you are involved in multi-level marketing or network marketing type deals, I would recommend try to get them onto your mailing list by simply offering more of a kind of a value of some sort. But I think it looks like these leads are more into the affiliate type deal, make money using ClickBank type deals. They're not looking to join a program, okay? They're not looking to join a business opportunity. They're looking to simply promote offers on ClickBank, that kind of thing. It's a lot easier for a lot of people, and that's to be honest how I got into this industry in the first place as well. So I relate to that. I understand. So get to know your types of leads, get to know who you're dealing with here, and then you'll get better at using this. It's a platform that's worth learning. Okay, and I'm going through the learning curve here, and I think I'm just on my way out here, and I believe we've got something pretty good here. So okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.